To test the parallelism of the mirrors, set the instrument at 0. The error after the navigator removed perpendicularity error, side error and collimination error is called index error. The major cause of this error is the index mirror and horizon glass is not being parallel when set exactly to 0. The observer will see the true horizon and the reflected horizon are not in line. Adjust the sextant reading as necessary to cause both images of the horizon to come into line. The index error is either on the arc or off the arc. The index error reading is 5 minutes on the arc. The index marker is behind 0. And the micrometer drum reads 55 minutes. We will subtract it to 1 degree, which is 60 minutes. The index error reading is 5 minutes off the arc. After doing the adjustment, the images of the horizon has now come into line. The instrument is now ready to be used by the observer for taking sight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.